This video is so much important for everyone. In this video, I will show you 8 important keyboard shortcut key for Windows computer. Number 1 Inch take screenshot. Press Windows key plus PRTSCR key. Number 2, screen zoom in and zoom out. Press Windows key and plus key for zoom in. And press Windows key and minus key for zoom out. Number 3 PC lock. Press Windows key plus L key. Number 4 Run option. Press Windows key plus R. Number 5 Task Manager. Press Control key plus Shift key plus ESC key. Number 6 Setting option. Press Windows key plus I. Number 7 Action Center. Press Windows key plus I. Number 8 Copy and paste. Press Ctrl plus C for copy. Press Ctrl plus V for paste. Hope that this tutorial was so much helpful to you. Thank you.